Hi grade 12s. Today we're going to be answering the question paper Maths Literacy Paper 1 November, which is going to be written soon enough. So we're going to be answering that question paper here. So in order for you to benefit from this video, I will advise you to take out your paper or your scrapbook and let's do this question paper together, guys. Let's do this question paper together. You know, the easy part about paper 1 is that everything is easy. That's the easy part, is that everything is easy. You can actually get a lot of marks on paper 1. So guys, make sure you focus as we are going to be answering this question paper. We are going to be answering this question paper. You should focus so that you can benefit from this video. There's no need for me to be just answering this question paper because you can just get these answers anywhere. So let's work together and try to solve the problems together. So after I've asked the question, you can pause the video and take a look at yourself, the answer, and try to figure out the answer. So guys, without wasting any time, let's begin. Question 1. I'll have to zoom first. Martha needs to buy school uniforms for her son and daughter. She compares the prices of 3 different stores as shown in the table 1 below. So guys, let's go. I'll definitely not be editing this one that much. Yeah, so let's go. Martha needs to buy school uniforms for her daughter and son. She compares the prices of 3 different stores as shown in the table 1 below. Okay, let's look at the table, guys. First of all, let's look at the table and tell me, what do you see on the table? You see the numbers, right? Okay, right now, if you know Maths Lit very well, you know what I mean when I talk about the numbers. This is data stored, and this data shows numbers only. Yeah, numbers. There are no percentage. So let's go to 1.1.1. Table 1 above to answer the questions that follow. Use table 1. 1.1.1, identify whether the prices given in table 1 are numerical or categorical data. Okay, numerical data is actually numbers only. Categorical data can be anything like percentages and anything. And yeah, it can be anything, percentages, over what. Yeah, numerical data actually shows numbers only. So this is numerical data. I would expect you guys to get total on the first question because the first question is actually the easiest one of all questions. So let's go to 1.1.2. Arrange in ascending order all prices given for store B. Guys, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised by these questions because some of the learners actually get this wrong. They actually get this wrong. Just imagine, you just arrange in ascending order, then you get this wrong. Doesn't mean you're gonna get the whole question paper wrong. Okay, let's make in ascending order. That simply means we're moving forward. Descending, we're moving backwards. Ascending, should I say all the numbers? I won't actually say all the numbers. I'll just put it on the screen. It's 11,99, 18,99, 39,99, 44,99. We are moving forward. So all the prices given in store B, we are focusing on store B only. This is store B. This is store B, guys, the one that's in the middle. So we are just making them in ascending orders from small number to big number. So let's go to 1.1.3. Name the store that sells the cheapest gray shorts. Just look at the store. Which store sells the cheapest gray shorts? Let's check here. Which store is cheap? I want you guys to look at for yourself. It's store B. If you got that one wrong, you are in trouble. 1.1.4 calculate the price for a pack of white school socks at store C. Calculate the price for a pack. Calculate a price for a pack. Okay guys, let's look at store. They say it's where? Store C. Let's look at store C. Price for packs. Where are the packs, guys? Price for socks, by the way. Pack of white socks. Pack of white socks. Okay, white school socks. Do you see it, guys? White school socks in store C is actually 85.99, which is 86 rand if you want to round it off, but we're gonna stick with 85.99 for 5 packs. 85.99 for 5 packs. So we are calculating calculate the price for a pack of white school socks. So we want to find out what is the price of one white socks, one pack of one white socks. So we don't want 5 packs, we just want one pack. So what do we do when we calculate here? Do we minus? Do we add? Do we divide? This is actually a grade 8 question. So guys, it's we actually divide. So because we want to find the price of one pack, this is actually a grade 8 question. Even a grade 8 learner can do this. So we actually divide by 5, then we find the answer. I will put it in the screen. The answer is 17,1.9, by the way. And don't forget to round off. You round off and say 17,20. 1.1.5 determine the missing value P. If Martha bought all the school items as advertised at store A, determine the missing value of P. Which missing value of P? The missing value of P. What should we do here? Because we want to determine the missing value of P, the total. You actually add all of here of store A. You add all of them. You add all of store A, so that you can get the answer. The answer is 1,251.50. I'll put it on the screen. As I said, guys, this is actually easy. You should get total here. You should get total here. So it's very similar. If you're going to write November 2023, or in future, you're going to write this question paper, which is paper 1 Maths Lit. It's very easy. You should get total in question 1. So the answer is here. 1.1.6 the probability of selecting store C to buy all the school item is 0.3333. A. Define the term probability in the given context. What is the term probability? Here you can just explain as you want, but it's actual probability is about the chance, likelihood of selecting C, the chances of selecting what. So if there are oranges, what are the chances of selecting oranges, the things like that. So it's actually the chance. So yeah. B. Write down this probability as a percentage rounded to the nearest whole number. Write down the probability 0.33333333. The 3 is there. So what do we do when we want to find the probability? We actually, when we want to find the percentage, we actually, especially if it's in this order, we actually multiply by 100%. We multiply by 100, guys, 100, so that we can find the percentage. So the percentage is actually 33.333%, which we round off to 33%. That's it. 1.2, guys. We are moving quick, guys. We are moving quick. So before I move to 1.2, I want to drink water for a little bit. So I'll have to pause the video. Okay, guys, we are killing it now. I just drank water now. Probably you won't see that because I paused the video. 1.2. One of the many investment options in South Africa is the stokvel option. Table 2 below shows 2 stokvel plans, plan A and plan B, over the 24-month period. So yeah, this is it, guys. You should look at the table here. I don't know, should I leave a link for the question paper if you guys don't see properly? I think I should leave a link, but you can find the question paper on Google anyway. Just type MathsLit 2022 previous question paper, paper 1. That's it. So can you see it, guys? The table over here, it has plan A and plan B. I'll assume you already did. 1.2.1, define the investment in the given context. What is the investment in a given context here? It is 2 marks. An investment is any form of saving that you put into financial scheme, bank or stokvel that will result in interest. That's an investment. It is when you put money and you expect to make an interest or you make a profit actually. So I'm sure you know that. 1.2.2, calculate the total contribution for plan A over the 24-month period. Calculate the total contribution. So let's look at how much plan A contributes. We are focusing on plan A. You should pause this video if you want to calculate by yourself. How much do you want to save monthly? Monthly contribution is 2,500. Total amount at the end of 24 months is 74,000. 74,000. So let's leave the 74,000 behind. Let's focus here. Monthly contribution is 2,500. That means every month we contribute 2,500, and we're going to be contributing for 24 months. So we are trying to figure out how much you're going to contribute for the whole 24 months. So we're going to multiply. You're going to say 2,500 multiplied by 24, which is actually 60,000 rand. 1.2.3. Calculate the interest earned if a person invests in plan B over the 24-month period. Interest earned. Interest earned. Interest earned. I have to repeat this again. Interest earned. Okay, we are going to plan B now. How much do you want to save once off? Once off is 60,000 rand. Once off is 60,000 rand, which is 60,000 rand. Total amount at the end of 24 months is 92,065. 92,065. So how do we find the interest earned? Interest earned. Remember, the once off month amount, by the way, not month. Once off amount is 60,000 rand. That simply means we're talking about 60,000 rand, guys. So what's the difference between 60,000 rand and 92,000 and 92,000 rand and 65, which is an increase to us? We have to find the difference between 60,000 rand and 92,065. This number is actually giving me a hard time because I'm not wearing my glasses, so it's giving me a hard time, guys. But don't lose faith. 60,000 rand minus 92,000 rand and 65 and 65. 92,065 rand actually. You can find the answer, which is 32,000 rand and 65. 32,065 rand, 71, obviously. I'll write it on the screen. Remember, this is the interest earned. The interest we earn is 32,065 rand, 71. That's the interest we earned. We're trying to find the interest we earned. So that's this interest we earned, guys. We are going to the next one. I'll have to write some of the things on my book here that I have here. So let's go to 1.2.4. Determine how much more interest a plan will earn investing in plan B compared to investing in plan A over the same 24-month period. And by the way, guys, if you don't understand, you can just tell me in the comment which question you didn't understand, which question I didn't explain very well. Then I'll come back and make another video and explain to you, or just give you my WhatsApp number where I'll explain to you alone. So yeah, let's go. 1.2.4. Determine how much more interest a person will earn investing in plan B compared to investing in plan A over the same 24-month period. So let's look at the table, guys. Let's relax and look at the table first. The graph below shows in cents liter the prices of 3 types of fuel in Gauteng for the first 3 months of 2022. For the first 3 months, the price of fuel has been giving us all a problem in South Africa. Gauteng fuel prices for the first 3 months of 2022. Okay. 1.3.1, name the type of graph drawn above. Okay, we named the type of graph drawn above. That's why I like question 1 actually, because everything they ask is very straightforward, guys. Everything they ask is very straightforward. Unless you didn't study, you wouldn't know what is the type of graph. What is the type of graph here? Many of you have already know the answer, and many of you, I know you're gonna say bar graph. But for the sake of the argument, I will say compound graph. But bar graph is also correct. It's actually tested bar graph. I'll put the answers in the screen. 1.3.2, identify the type of fuel that cost the most in February 2022. Identify the type of fuel that cost the most, guys. Which one? Which one cost the most? I expect you guys to get this actually right. Which one costs the most? The type of fuel. Is it 93 LRP and or 95? If you drive a car, you probably know that by now. Which answer is right? It's actually 95. 95 ULP. 95 ULP, guys. 95 ULP. Unleaded petrol. I will put the answer in the screen, as you can see. So that's it. 1.3.3, the price of diesel in March 2022 was 1,955.28. So write this price in rand per liter. Round off the answer to the nearest 0.50, which is 50 cents. Write this price in rand per liter. Write this price in rand per liter. Write this price in rand per liter. What do we do? The price of diesel in March 2022 was 1,955.28 CL liter. So we write it in rand per liter. Here is about like in cents or something like that. So you write it in rand per liter. We round off then after we found the answer. So we write it in rand per liter. What do we do when we write it in rand per liter? We want to find, we write it in rand per liter. Or should I take you backwards, guys? Because I think we have already covered a question similar to this one. I think we have already covered the question similar to this one, guys. The one with the white socks, we've covered it when we tried to find what the cost of white sock, what one pack of sock cost. I think we've already covered a similar question like this. So guys, surely you have to get this right. What do we do here? Do we multiply? If you want to write it in this price in rand per liter, do we multiply? Do we minus? Do we add? Do we divide? Do we say to the power of what? What do we do? We do divide. You're correct. We divide. So let's divide, guys. When you divide, you're going to say 1,955.28 divided by 100. 1,955.28 CL divided by 100, which is actually 19 rand,55 liter. Then we round off. Remember, they told us to round off. Many people are always in rush when they are writing the exam. They even forget to round off. This one mark is very important, guys. It will play a very important role in your marks. So yeah. So the final answer is 19.50. That's the final answer. So that's question 1, guys. It actually took me 19 minutes to do question 1. We are done with question 1, guys. We are done with question 1. After, we are going to talk about question 2. Question 2, the most difficult part. So the reason I do this part by part is because it's not like other subjects, economics, where I just don't explain a lot. Here I explain a lot, so that's why I do it part by part. So after we're tackling question 2, and I'm done with question 1, guys. So make sure you tune in and subscribe for the next part. If the next part is already released, you can check in the description and click the link there and watch the next part. It's important that you watch also the next part. So otherwise, subscribe, guys. And if you didn't understand some sort of answers here, you can just comment down below and say, I didn't understand this one here, what do we do? Some of the people will answer you in the comment if they know, and we are trying to help each other here. So guys, make sure you subscribe and like the video and share the video, guys. Peace.